Okay, so we're here putting the meth kit on my car, and I wanted to show this because it's kind of important. But if you have a charge pipe that doesn't already have meth bungs and you're making your own, so you drill your hole down in there, right? And then you got to tap it to fit the nozzle. Well, a helpful hint here to avoid damaging your engine. I don't know if that will focus, but put grease or WD-40 or something on your tap, and that will pick up all the metal shavings that you get, like where your tap. And as you can see, there's no metal shavings in there, and it won't go into your intake. And also, when you drill it, you want to get as close to the actual intake as possible. That way you get the most meth in there, I guess. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna keep rocking on this. Trevor's eating instead of doing the wiring.
I'm getting there. I got 2 left.
So yeah, we'll keep you updated. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with the tank yet, because I do have a 5-gallon tank that came out of my truck, which is a little big for my car, but it's what I got. So what? Lighter right there, spaceman. So we'll keep rocking it out. So, little update. We got the nozzle installed. Trevor's finding out about the laws of electricity by grounding the power every chance he can get.
No.
And I decided to mount the tank, or not the tank, well yeah, we're gonna mount the tank in the back, but mount the pump in the back right there. That way, if I need to get my toolkit, I can. Making moves out here. Yeah, you're just gonna have to ignore everything's a mess right now. McRib's over here laying on the floor. Trevor's headlight was in my car because I was gonna practice building it. Having fun yet?
Yes, of course. I don't think we're gonna need extra wire. Is that enough?
Yeah, because I'm just gonna put the controller in there, and then I'm gonna find a way to mount that light, because there's a little light that tells you when it works or not.
Okay. Well, I mean, if you like how the wires are in there, then I can put these screws back in.
Okay. And don't put them back in, because you got to run the pump and the tank wires back too.
Oh, right through here?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. I'll spread those out so they don't touch.
Some of you might notice I have my summer tires back on. That's because I'll show you a little bit of pictures after here in a little second, and you'll understand why. But yeah, we're gonna keep cranking on this, and hopefully we'll be done soon.
Do you need wires?
Okay, boys, so we got her almost done. Hold on, let me get a light. You got the solenoid right in there, all of it running over, and then
what do you have for wire connectors?
We got the controller ran in, and Griffin has showed up, and he's about to mount the switch. Working in the back here.
Electrician.
Got the pump in its secret spot. The tank was mounted, but we pulled it out so Trevor can wire it.
Hey Colt, can I use 2 of these?
No, this light's about dead. But we ran the tube from the pump to the solenoid all the way over and then down and under. And oh man, my light. Hey, let me see. Is that tack light over there? No. Give me a second.
I can't.
Take that with you.
Dog.
And then we actually ran the hose up through there. And then right in there. And then ran it up and through
Right there.
to the
Shine the light
pump.
on that. Melted it. Close enough.
As long as the solder's good. But yeah, I mean, it's not really a hard job. It's just very time consuming with all the wiring and the plumbing and hiding all of it. We thought about at one point just running the hose atop the car because we're over it at that point, but
That would have been a good idea.
you know, some back to the future type stuff. But
Hey Colt, do you have any other wire connectors?
I got crimp connectors.
Why?
Oh, actually.
Those work really good, dude.
Yeah, I might.
So yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say.
You can't get it over how you have
At this point, we are what, 6 hours in, Trevor? 6 hours in.
Look. What?
We're 6 hours in.
Probably.
Look.
And it's not as simple. I know it's very simple.
Right, yeah.
It's very, very long.
Okay, but how you gonna do that now?
So if you got yourself a day you want to put in a meth kit, yeah, it's gonna take the whole day.
Yes, it is.
They're arguing, so
Solder, so it melts on the wires.
Okay, I'm not using these.
Yeah, give me the little ones back.
yeehaw.
You want to grab those crimp connectors?
Here, use these like I did.
Yes,